To install Connect for ODBC on Windows, begin by navigating to the directory on your machine where you have placed the download file from the Datadirect Technologies website. Extract that file using the WinZip utility. Once you have extracted the file, navigate to the directory on your machine where you have placed the extraction and run the setup.exe file. This will launch the Connect for ODBC installer using the Windows Installer program. Follow the prompts and use the buttons at the bottom of the installer window to proceed through the installation. You must accept the license agreement in order to be able to install Connect for ODBC. On the licensing screen, enter your name and your company name. To install an evaluation copy, use eval as the serial number and the key 1. Those fields will already be filled in for you with the download from the Datadirect website. Click Next to proceed. Confirm that the information is correct for what you would like to install. Now you have options that you can choose. We do recommend that you install the online book, so that includes all the reference information for the Connect for ODBC drivers. You also have options to replace existing drivers on your machine and to create default data sources. Neither of those are required. Next, choose the installation directory where you would like to have the Connect for ODBC installation placed on your machine. By default, that installs into Program Files, Datadirect, ODBC 32v50. ODBC 32 indicates that this is the 32-bit version of the Connect for ODBC drivers, and the v50 indicates that this is version 5.0 of that release. Next, you can choose what drivers you would like to have installed. By default, all drivers will be installed except for the client drivers. We have a separate set of Informix and Oracle drivers that require the database client software. In most situations, however, users will instead use the Informix Wire Protocol driver and Oracle Wire Protocol driver, as those do not require the client software. You have an option here if you would like to go back and change any features of your installation. Otherwise, click Install. Once the setup has completed, you will see this screen. If any errors occurred during the installation, you will see those here as well. Common error messages include not having administrator rights on the Windows machine, or not having enough space in the directory that you've chosen to install to. If you do have any problems and would like help in troubleshooting those, please see the knowledge base at support.datadirect.com. Many common errors are listed there in knowledge base documents. Otherwise, if your setup completed successfully, click Finish and the installation is done.